Hi, to enable one-handed mode on your OnePlus Nord 3, as a first step, open Settings and here select the additional settings. After that, go in the system navigation and make sure that the gestures are enabled. If you have buttons on the bottom of your screen like I do now, then switch to the gestures. And if you don't know how to use gestures on your phone, select this button to learn. So, now let's go back to the previous setting and here select one-handed mode. And now we can enable it, because if you have buttons enabled, then you won't be able to use one-handed mode. It only works with gestures. So to activate it, we will need to swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter this mode. Just like that. And here is how it looks. So we can use the phone like we would normally do, but it will be more comfortable to use it with one hand now. And to exit this mode, simply touch any free space on the screen or just touch this arrow. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.